Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how we can use a flow to trigger a bell notification. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Arun Kumar. I am senior Salesforce developer and founder of SFDCLessons. So I am Forex certified. You can find me on the Twitter with arun.kur94 is my handle. I was also a platform champion or a lightning champion in 2020 and 21. Okay, let's move on to next slide. So we have a use case to send a custom notification to account owner when opportunity amount gets changed. Okay, so this is the use case that we are going to solve with the flow. Okay. So we have something called custom notification type. This is basically object in Salesforce where we have some fields in that we have to put while creating. So we have a custom notification type name field. So we have to put the name. We have a description field. We have a mobile and a desktop field also. So that is Boolean fields. So we will see what this field is all about when we create the custom notification type in Salesforce org. Okay, so we are going to solve this with flow. So this is how the flow will look like when we create that flow. Okay, so we will see that when we create that. Okay, so I am in a developer org here. I will go to setup and we have to search a custom notification type, and then we'll create one custom notification type. So let's wait while opening. So search custom notification here. I'll click on custom notification. So we have to click a new button. Just give a name. So I will give the name as opportunity amount update notification, and I'm going to select both these checkbox. Click on save now. So custom notification type is created successfully. So we will use this custom notification type in the flow to fire a notification. Okay, so now let's create a flow. So I'm going to set up now, and then we'll search for flow, and then we'll create a new flow. Okay, so let me search flow here, and let me click on flow. Here we have a new button to create a flow. So I'm going to click on new button here. Here we have to choose the type of flow that we want to create. So in this case I am going to select a record triggered flow. So I just selected this and I will create one. So here on this page you have to select the object for which you are going to create a flow. So in this case I'm going to select opportunity as an object, and when this record trigger flow should be fired. So it should be fired when a record is updated. So I will choose this one, and let's select the criteria. So once amount is changed, then it should fire. Okay, so I'm going to select is change here, and then it should be true. Okay, once amount is changed, then it should fire. So this flow should run after record is updated. So in that case we have chosen this option. So this is correct, and then we'll click on done. Okay, so the flow setup is done. Okay, so let's create some variable for this flow. So we have a new resource button here. So I'm going to click on new resource button, and let's select variable, and I will give the name recipient ID. Okay, so here we have the name, So and the data type would be text, and I will select this checkbox, so it will allow multiple values to collect in this variable. Okay, so done. So now I'm going to create one more variable, or it is like a formula, so this in this formula I'm going to save the message body, the notification body, what body we want to display in the notification. So I have already written what message I need to display. So I'm going to put that in the formula. Okay. So and it should return the text. Okay, this formula should return text. So I think it's done. So in the formula I have just written like, please note opportunity and the opportunity name, amount has been changed from like previous value to the new value. So let me click on done now. So I have created a formula now and one variable that is called recipient ID. Okay, now let's assign the IDs in the recipient IDs collection variable. So I'm going to use the assignment element here. So let me say assign uh, recipient ID. So I will choose recipient IDs variable here, and operator would be the add operator. Uh, so here we have to select the record, then account, and then we have a owner ID field. Okay, so this basically will store the opportunity account ID in the recipient ID field or variable here. Okay, so now next step is to get the custom notification type. Okay, so for that I will use a get element. So say get custom notification type. So here we have to choose the object, custom notification type object, and then in the filter record we have to choose developer name, and we have to give the name here. Okay, so let me click on done now. Okay, so now next step is to create a action to send the custom notification. So here I have click on action, and I'm going to search send custom notification. So we have to select this one. Okay, so here on this page we have to fill all these required fields, and then this section will send the custom notification. So let me say let me put the label here, send notification to account owner. Okay, and here for custom notification type ID we will use the get element. So here we have the get element, and then I will say ID, so it will give me the ID of the custom notification type. Okay, here we have to put the notification body. So earlier we had created a formula for that, so I will use that. Okay, so here I will choose the custom notification body formula, and for notification title I will put the static value here for now. So let's say opportunity amount changed. Okay, in the recipient ID field I will use the collection variable that I had created earlier. So here I have selected this, and in the target ID I'm going to choose the record ID, so that is opportunity record ID. So let's select ID here. Okay, I think it's good to go now. Click on done. Okay, so now we have the flow ready. Just need to click on save now. So I'm going to save this flow. So let's say send notification to opportunity account owner. Let me click on save, and let's activate the flow. Okay, don't forget to activate. So I'm going to click on activate now. So our flow is activated. Okay, it's time to test the feature now. So as you can see, this is the opportunity that I have opened, and I'm the owner of this account. Okay, so I should receive the notification whenever someone is changing the account field. Okay, so let me change the account amount field here. So I'm going to put 10,000 here, and let me click on save, and then I should receive the notification here. So let's wait. Okay, here we have notification. So we can see it's saying opportunity amount change, and then we have a message here. So it's saying the amount has been changed from 5,000 to 10,000. Okay,